In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset course progress on Udemy. If you've been away from a course for a while, want to retake everything from scratch, or just prefer a clean slate for better tracking, resetting your progress is quick and completely within your control. I'll walk you through the process and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening Udemy and signing into your account. From the homepage, look for My Learning. This is your personal library and dashboard where all your enrolled courses live. Click My Learning to open your full list of courses. If you have many courses, you can use the search bar or filters to find the one you want to restart, but otherwise, just scroll until you see it. Next, select the course you want to reset. Clicking it opens the course player with the video area on the left or center and a list of lectures, sections, and activities on the side. You'll also see your overall completion percentage somewhere near the top. That percentage updates automatically based on which items are marked as completed. To reset your progress, you'll use the small checkboxes next to completed items in the curriculum list. Any lecture or activity you've already finished will show a check mark. Click that checkbox to uncheck it. As soon as you do, that item is considered incomplete again, and your course completion percentage will drop accordingly. Repeat this for any lectures, quizzes, or assignments you want to reset. You can work section by section, or uncheck everything if you want a total restart. There's no penalty for doing this, and you can recheck items later as you work through the material again. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If the percentage doesn't update right away, give the page a moment or refresh your browser. Unchecking items resets progress only. It won't remove your notes, bookmarks, or questions in the Q&A, so your learning materials stay intact. If you use multiple devices, make sure you're connected to the internet so your progress changes sync across the web and mobile app. And if you're retaking quizzes, unchecking the quiz item lets you reattempt it as if it's brand new. That's all there is to it. Head to My Learning, open the course you want, and uncheck the completed items to roll your progress back. With a clean slate, you can follow the lessons in order, retest your understanding, and track your improvement from the very beginning. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your fresh start on Udemy.